Okay, so today we are here to look at a property that is on the repository list. And those of you who have listened to my videos will know there are different types of tax sales. Now, it's this house here at the corner. Sorry, the land. It's at the corner here. And it looks to me like a buildable lot. And there used to be a house here. The only thing I think I can see is that probably because it's downhill, there might be a drainage problem, but you can always, include that in the manufacture of the house. So remember, there are tax sales. There's the offset sale, the judicial sale, and the repository sale. In the judicial sale, you're buying the property free and clear. Now, the property line ends somewhere here, and then there are two tinier properties by the side. Where's that picture that I printed? The paper that I printed. Let me show you. So, and after so this is the property here. Okay. Oops. Let's get it out of the way. So, on my paper here, let's see, where is it? So this is the property here. Tim, help me hold this paper like this. So, if you look at this property here, that's it. And then you might not be able to see it that well, but yeah, okay. So this angle here, there are two properties here. This is the one that I'm interested in. And you can see here, that's the angle just before that bridge. So this particular property ends somewhere in the middle here. So they'll probably require you to buy the whole thing. But we'll go to the township office and see what is. And now we'll take a drive around so that you see, is it worth? What was that? Wood? I hope. Yeah, it's just wood. So we'll drive around so that you can see if it is a nice place to buy land, because you don't just buy land for buying sake. But see, you can see the houses around this place. You can see that's a good area. So that's how you choose, because by the time a person buys land and puts up a brand new house, you want it to be worth selling. Because, for example, if I buy the land, let's say everything costs 5,000, and I want to sell it to a builder, the builder will have to think, oh, if I put up a house in this place, how much will I be able to sell it? So there are nice houses in this area, so I think it should be attractive to a builder. So the next thing I want to do now is go to the township office, and I will ask the code enforcement department about the land and ask them if it's buildable. Also, for this county, because every county is different, this county requires that you get a letter from the township giving you the authority to bid. So, do you want me to check the time? Do you want me to check the time? To make sure we didn't go over something. But wow, very nice, beautiful homes in this area. Yeah. So I think it's a good land if they are willing to sell. Now, I don't know, maybe these other lands are also on the list, but we can come to the conclusion that this is a very good area to buy. And there are some places downhill here too, so there must be good drainage. So our next step now, yeah, this is a good place. Our next step now is to find out if they will be willing to sell this land. So tax sales are when the property owner stops paying taxes. Yeah, let's drive around more. The property owner stops paying taxes. They give them about a year or two, and then they put it up for the upset sale. In the upset sale, you buy it with all the liens, all the debts. If nobody buys it at the upset sale, it goes to the judicial sale. At the judicial sale, you don't buy it with the liens, but you have to wait a whole year before you can sell it, just in case the county has made any mistakes. Then, after that, if nobody buys it at the judicial sale, that is when it goes to the repository sale. At the repository sale, that is when you can buy it free and clear and sell it almost immediately. So the property we went to look at, that piece of land, was a repository sale. And now, in the next video, we will go and see what the township will say. Okay, bye.